It's a look at how to play the super easy James Bay song, Give Me a Reason. This song is played with a capo on the 3rd fret in the recorded studio versions of the song. If you listen to James Bay playing it live, he'll have the capo on the 2nd. The first chord in the song is a C with a G in the bass, so if you put the normal C shape down, lift that 3rd finger up to the E string at the 3rd fret, then pinky finger 3rd fret of the A string, gives you a lovely full sounding C chord. For the strumming for the chord progression, we're going to look at one of the simpler patterns that James Bay uses in this song. We'll also take a look at one of the more adventurous patterns he uses further on in the lesson. So we're going to play down, down, up, down for the first bar. Down, down, up, down. Second bar, same chord. Down, down, up. So 1, 2, and. On the 3, we're going to change to the G chord. So we'll leave this 3rd finger where it is. 2nd finger goes up to the A string at the 2nd fret. And then the pinky finger goes to the 3rd fret, the high E. Take your 1st finger off. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Then we're going to 4 and down, down, up. And the last 2 strums there are a little bit quicker. So we've got so far. And then we're going to go to an A minor 7 chord. It's essentially the same as an A minor chord without that 3rd finger in there. I'm going to use the same strumming pattern. So down, down, up, down, 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 up. And on the 3 of the 2nd bar, we're going to put the 3rd finger down on the low E string at the 3rd fret, and take off that 2nd finger there. And then we're going to strum down, down, down. That little 16th note on the end there. It doesn't sound good on its own, but it sounds good in context of the song. So. Then we're going to go to an F chord with a C in the bass. So we've got the 3rd finger there on the A string at the 3rd fret. We've got the pinky finger, 3rd fret of the D string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the G, and a 1st finger bar across the B and the E strings at the 1st fret. If you can hook your thumb over the top and mute that low E string. Strumming is exactly the same again. Down, down, down. I'm going to do this for 2 full bars. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. That's where we would change chord normally, but this time we're just going to stay on the F chord. We've got a down strum, another down strum, then the very quick down up. Then we're going to go to a G add 11 chord. So it's the same as the G chord we used before, but only this time we're going to put the 1st finger down on the 1st fret of the B string. For the strumming, we've got down, down, up, down, then the 16th notes of the forehand. Before we take the 1st finger off and go to an open G. So just for the G part there, we've got. So the whole thing sounds like this. There's also a mid-8 section where the chord progression changes just a little bit. We have an A minor chord for 2 bars. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. 16th notes at the end there. Then to the F chord with the C in the bass for 2 bars. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. 16th notes again at the end. We go to a C with a G in the bass. Same strum part again. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. Then we go to an E minor chord for 2 bars, same strumming pattern. Then we repeat again, A minor for 2 bars, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. Then to the F with a C in the bass. And to the C with the G in the bass for 2 bars. Then we actually go the 2nd time to a G chord. You'll notice throughout the song that James Bay mixes up the strumming. Sometimes he uses some palm muting and he strums a lot more. Sometimes he'll actually strum every beat and accent the 1, the 2 and then the 4. So it will sound a bit more like this. doing this, James Bay's just adding a bit more life to his playing, and he's giving the song a bit of dynamical variation. Make sure to jam along with the original track. It will really help you progress a lot quicker. It will improve your timing massively and help you understand how James Bay is using strumming and dynamics and muting to make his chords sound much more interesting. Enjoy jamming along with this one. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.